Welcome back. Today I am gonna share with you how can we create Slack apps, and we get webhooks for integrating our system. For example, let's from this API slack.com/apps URL we can create a new app. Then we can select our workspace, and then next here we will get JSON and YAML format information. We can use our own app information and set up from here. Then click next. Okay, then create. Here we will get all our basic information, app credentials like app ID, client ID, client secret, and sign-in secret. Also we get verification token here. Okay, then we can set up our app name here. Okay, that's it. Now from auth and permission section we have to install the app. As I am showing this as a testing purpose, so I'm not installing. I have already installed. See here in this app I have already set up. See, I have already set up, so that I got this information. Now from the incoming webhooks area we'll get our webhook information. First we have to make this on. By default it was off. Then we have to add new webhook, and we can select channel, then allow. Let's see how it shows. I have already added here. See, this is my webhook URL and information. Okay, I can add new webhook also. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video.